What's going on, YouTube? So it's your boy, Mr. Pyro, and today's a very, historic day. The Union Pacific has just rebuilt the big boy 4014 locomotive. And that's a big occasion because it's a steam locomotive that it's not on the railway anymore. So I got the opportunity because I was late to work. Oops, my bad. And to see it pass by. And man, that thing is big. It's big, it's bad, it's loud. So I'm bringing it to you to show you what it looks like real quick and see if I got a good enough video of it. Hopefully, we'll see what happens. Thank you very much. Have a good evening. Bye.